How to limit battery charge on Windows 11. Now take note that this is not going to be applied for only for Windows 11, but it is, or this process is also applicable for Windows 10 and below. Now, first, to be able to limit our battery charges, we just have to create our power plan. Now, on your current PC, all you have to do is to go ahead and choose on your Windows icon. And then in here, just simply type battery and then go to battery saver settings, or you can also go to power and sleep settings. And once you pull it up, all I have to do is just to locate related settings and then choose on additional power settings. Click on that, and then there is going to be another window that will pop out. Then here you'll have multiple options on the left portion of this window. Let's just maximize it first. Now what you want to choose from here is just go ahead and go to create a power plan. Now click on that. And in here you can randomly change your custom plan or custom power plan name right here. Let's just choose on test. And then in here, just choose on power saver and then hit on next. Now, this is going to be the specific portion in which you can limit your battery saving um, charge. And here, you can choose on to turn off the display on a specific time you want and how much minutes you would like to set it up. And then for plugged in, for charger plugged in, you can also change this on your own preference. And then you can also choose to put the computer to sleep. And then once you have chosen your preference, just choose on create and it will be automatically activated. And that's how you limit your battery charge on Windows 11.